All right, welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. I'm Mike. As I show you how to repair this, I'm going to be using this Whirlpool dishwasher rack repair kit. I bought this off Amazon. I'll include an affiliate link. They had several different ones, and I decided, you know what? This one's a little more expensive than some of the aftermarket or second brands, but I decided that actually getting the Whirlpool brand one was a good thing. It says it works for Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, Estate, and with all major brands. So I decided I'd trust that. If you end up using a different one, leave a note in the comments, let other people know how that worked. Let's take a look at how we take these racks out. So the bottom rack is easy, just lifts out. The top rack is a little more challenging. So the trick on this is to get your tabs off. Different dishwashers have these things come undone in different ways. This one flips out just like that, and it comes off. Push this way, and then it pulls off. So we're out here. You want to take this stuff outside. Here's the bottle that comes with it. It's really smelly stuff, so use it in a well-ventilated area. Outside is a great place. Maybe a garage, maybe a bathroom. It's also really goopy, so you want to be sure you're not going to get anything messy that you don't want to get the stuff on. And then in this kit also came all these little caps and plugs. The first thing I'm going to do is take off the different kind of clips and such from my dishwasher rack. That'll make it easier to get all the spots worked on that need to be worked on. So I'm going to kind of separate these things out. Two steps that I've found helpful. One is find all the big rust spots. So we're going to work on cleaning these. I've got some sandpaper, 100 grit sandpaper, and I've got a little file. So you want to try and get the rust off. In this process, it's going to cut off some of the existing kind of plastic stuff. Trying to get it down to metal. There's kind of two different ways to fix things. First, we're going to look at spots where we're just going to paint this vinyl touch-up. Now, this is really goopy stuff after shaking it a little bit. So we're going to get a little bit, and then each of these spots I'm going to paint it on. I don't know if they have this vinyl in different colors. This is an oyster gray. It was the only color I saw available. Paint this stuff on. I want to make sure we get everything covered really well. So basically, we're putting new plastic onto the metal. We're going to go over the edges, try and make sure it gets a good seal so we don't keep getting rusting happening. If it'll keep your dishwasher rack from falling apart. Now let's take a look at the tines, how you do those. So right here is an example on the end of this one. You can see the metal's rusting through. And it's actually on each of these. From my bag, with all these little guys, when you look at these, they look a little too small. It just doesn't look like it's gonna do it. But it actually will. They're pretty flexible. And here's what you do. Just put a little bit on the end, and then you gotta work this guy over the tine. A little bit of back and forth, a little bit of pressure, twist it a little bit, and there we go. It's worked down. It's been more than 8 hours. Feels like it's covered things well, and certainly dried nicely. These caps all feel good. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting all the odds and ends back. Make sure you get your dishwasher rack lined back up. Put your clips on, just the reverse of how they came off. All right, with everything put back together, it says to run the dishwasher once before you put any dishes in. So we're gonna go ahead and push this thing in. I hope you found that helpful. Certainly appreciate it if you decide to pick up this dishwasher rack repair kit from Amazon. That's an affiliate link down in the description, so you can get the very same thing I did. That sends a small commission my way, which helps support the mission of Tomahawk DIY, which helps people in some of Earth's most dire circumstances build better lives. Like the video, comment, subscribe, let me know if it works for you. Let me know if you have other suggestions or tips. It'd be great for everybody to learn that. Thanks, and have a great day.